Hello, and welcome to Fundamentals of People Management. I'm Dr. Lon Schiffbauer, and today in this video, I am going to introduce you to this course. First, let's begin with a course description. This introductory course provides a comprehensive overview of people management, covering the 5 functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, directing, and controlling. And in covering these functions, this course will discuss such aspects of people management as the hiring, training, developing, motivating, and performance management of employees. We will also explore how to provide feedback and coaching, how to resolve conflict, and in general, how to create effective performing teams. By mastering these principles, participants will be equipped with the skills and knowledge necessary to become effective people managers in an organizational setting. Now let's take a look at the course learning objectives. First, we are going to learn how to lead and direct people in pursuit of an outcome. Second, we will develop an understanding of the 5 functions of management, specifically planning, organizing, leading, directing, controlling, and how managers use these principles to lead an organization. We will also understand the role that hiring, training, developing, motivating, and performance management plays in reaching organizational objectives. We will learn how to provide effective feedback and one-on-one coaching, resolve conflict, and create effective performing teams. We will learn how to set and align individual, team, departmental, and organizational objectives around a company's strategy. And finally, we will learn how to manage people during times of organizational change. Now let's talk about how this course will be organized. To begin with, we will give an overall definition of people management and discuss why it is so important to an organization and to the people in that organization. After that, we will then discuss people management along the employee life cycle. So for instance, we will first begin with talent acquisition. This will be followed by delegating responsibilities, training and development, setting goals and expectations, leading and directing, motivation, rewards, and recognition, team building and collaboration, managing conflict, performance management, providing feedback and coaching, terminating employees, managing change, managing stakeholders, and then ending with conclusions and next steps that you can take as a growing manager. So that's the course, but let me take a moment and introduce myself. I hold a master's degree of business administration, an MBA, as well as a PhD in industrial organizational psychology. I am also a senior professional in human resources, or SPHR certified. I am also a professor of business management at Salt Lake Community College and have over 20 years corporate experience, many of those years spent as a people manager. I'm offering this course because there are few things as important to me as thriving in one's position, in one's career. And oftentimes, a manager can spell all the difference between a happy, thriving career and one that's, pretty awful and depressing. I want to live in a world where everybody loves their job and is just totally crushing it every single day. And the best thing I can do to help that happen is to help develop tomorrow's managers. And so there we are. These are the things that we're going to be covering in Fundamentals of People Management. I hope you join me because we're going to have a lot of fun and learn a lot of important skills. All right, thanks a lot, and until we talk again, have a fantastic day.